This is just like a test stream. Just want to see if it's working. Okay, yeah, it says that I'm streaming, so I see it here. Okay, yeah, it says that I'm streaming. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, it says that I'm streaming. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna close this. So I don't want a loop. Okay. Okay, seems to be working. All right, yeah. I will start streaming more here on Twitch, and then I'll just upload the videos to YouTube. Yeah, I think that's the idea. Right now, I just wanted to show you something that I was working on, which I thought it was pretty funny. I have this here, which is a gremlin, and I was working on this headshot here. So you can, if you're creating like a professional resume, you can actually upload like a headshot or resume photo or whatever you call it, and you can generate a headshot, and then it makes it look clean, neat, and you can use that one as a professional headshot, so you can start applying for jobs, right? And if you go to edit the image, so this is the image that I have, which is like a gremlin, and if you expand with this, you can save it, and you can see that it saves. And let's say that I wanna just maybe just want this, right? You can see that it looks like this, which is a little bit too close of it's just like a close up, but it's too close. So yeah, I can show you something like this is the image that I use actually, which is crazy because if you tell like the AI turn this into a headshot, I didn't know it was gonna be able to grab the subject and then turn it into a headshot, but yeah, a professional headshot. So yeah, let's see, maybe let me refresh this, okay? Okay, and then let's choose the file, and then we'll just pick this, right? And it looks like that. And then we'll say generate headshot, and you'll see that it will change and it will make a professional headshot out of this image. Okay, see? It looks pretty cool and it looks pretty funny too. So I'm just gonna make it look like that. Save, and you see it's a little bit farther. So let me edit this. Maybe I wanna make an up close like there, even though it's gonna cut off the ears. But yeah, see, it looks closer. So that's basically what I was working on. And now that I noticed something, I think if I upload like a different image, I don't think it replaces the old image, which is a problem. Okay. Yeah, so maybe I'll show you the code, and maybe we can change this, okay? Okay, so this is the code, and here I'm just gonna tell cursor, because now everything is AI. I don't think you can see it here, but it's right here. So it'll be like there, okay. All right, so I'll say when I try to see something, I wanna home. Where's my channel? How can I see the metrics? I don't think I can see it. Can I see it? No, I cannot. Anyways, so basically what I'm gonna say is when I try to load a new image, it's not replacing. It's not replacing the old image for the headshot. Can you fix this? All right, and I'll just let it work, and let's see what it comes up with. Because basically everything is AI right now, right? And you need to understand what's going on, of course, but let's see what it says and what it does. So it's yeah, changing the profile form. Okay, so you keep all, see what it did. So if we come here, see it changes here, clean up the old blob URL. Okay, yeah, okay, let's see, let's refresh this, and then we'll try it. So we'll use that one. Maybe if I choose a different headshot, maybe this one. Okay, yeah, it does change it, but if I want to, let's see, Let's regenerate this one. So generate one headshot. And we'll see what happens. Okay, yeah, okay, so I want that. Okay, let's say that I want to change it back, so I want this. Yeah, it's not changing it, see? That's weird. Okay, yeah, it's not fixing it. Okay, so let's go back to this. Why did it open like this? I don't want this. Editor, okay, here. Let me go back. See, sometimes that's why. Sometimes AI doesn't work. All right, so let's explain it the right way. All right, since for an image, and then I upload a new image. It's not replacing the old one. Generate. Can you fix it? And I'm going back because you can see that it didn't fix anything, right? So since it didn't fix anything, maybe it changed code that I didn't need to change. So that's why I'm just going back to this prompt and then making it do it again, okay? Let's see how it does now. Okay, so clear the old image immediately. Yeah, so it's just clearing it. It's a profile image to null, and then okay, yeah. So it's just this to clear the old image. So let's see if it works. Of course, we have to refresh, and let's try to do it again. So generate headshot. Okay. Yeah, these are the problems that one has to deal with. All right, let's say that I wanna change it. It's not changing it. See, it's not working. Okay, let's try to fix this bug. Let's see. Let me share the live. Maybe other people want to see this. Copy URL. See live on Twitch now. Okay, let's see. Maybe should I share on LinkedIn? Do you think it's something good? Will people trickle in from there? Maybe. Who knows? Let's try to do it. I'm just sharing the live. How do you share the specific live? Have to share my channel. All right. Okay. Okay, let's try to fix it using AI. Okay, so yeah, so the problem is that I'm just to explain the problem. The problem is that I'm trying to, after I generate the headshot, I already changed the image, but it's still showing the old one. You can see it's not changing it, even though I'm uploading a new image. See? Oh, I think it's because it's okay. So if I upload the same one, then it's gonna think that's the same one. That's why it's not changing it. Let's see. Okay, that's that. But even then, it should change it, right? Let's see what AI says. Oh, I think it's because when I Yeah, I think that's the issue. So basically, when I use this image, and let's say that I generate like a headshot for that one, and then I try to use the same one, it has the same path, so it's the same image. So it's thinking that's the same image. So yeah, that's why it won't work. So let's try it again. All right, that's cute. Okay, and if I want to change it, it's gonna have the same path. That's why. Maybe let me change the path. Yeah, but users don't want to do that, right? Let's see. Yeah, maybe I can just leave it there. Do you think it's a big issue? If I degenerate and then they want to go back to the image, they just re-upload it, but then it has the same name and everything. That's why it's thinking that's the same image. Okay, let me see if AI can do something about it. All right. Okay, let's say users want to use the old image which has for generating a shot. Now before it's been changed. Okay, I think that makes sense. So basically, we're saying that after it generates the headshot, maybe just change something for that image, like the name or something, so that it thinks that's a different image. So if they upload the last or the same image, then it will be different because the name has been changed. Okay. With the generate headshot, it's not the same image. So maybe when the headshot change the name is like this. Image. Okay, let's see what it does with this. Okay. Just feed it that and we'll see. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. I don't have any followers. Can someone follow me? Okay, let's see. Just checking some stuff here. Okay. We're good. Let's see. We're just catching these bugs here. Just fixing them. Swatting. Okay, let's see. Cool. Yeah, I'm still here. Anyways, okay, let's see what it said. So you always need to check what's doing, right? So like what changes it's doing, okay? So basically, it's saying in the hash fixing the issue with generating hash will modify the file name, so re-uploading the original S3 as a new file, okay? Fixing this way, modifying the hash file name and returning the file input, okay? Basically, what it did, we just added like an input as null. Clear the file input so the same file can be uploaded again. So just clearing the input. We can go here to see the change, which is here. Timestamp, so you're just adding a timestamp to the original file name, and that's what's gonna make it change. Fixing the logic, keep the original file suppressed, users can re-upload it, updating accordingly. So I did a file input ref, I did okay. Or maybe I could have just said, like, if they upload the same image, then maybe they can, maybe I just had like a dash something, okay? That could be another thing, another way to actually fix this. But let's try, let's see if it works. Okay, so this is the image. Okay, let's generate the headshot once again. It's a lot of generations that we're using here, but it's okay because we have infinity. Okay. All right, so it's worked. Okay, see, there is no file now. So what if I download it? There's a download with the, okay, I see it there, cool. So it's been cleared. Yeah, it's been fixed. It's been fixed. So now, what's doing? What it's doing is the following. So basically, it's just taking a headshot. So once I upload something, yeah, it just clears it immediately. So there is nothing here. So if users upload something again, then they then it will change, of course. See, so it thinks it's a new one. It is a new one. So yeah, it will change it. So it's just clearing so the solution here that the AI provided is just clearing as soon as you're uploading the headshot, then it's just clearing the the file. So then it's like always uploading like a new file, even if it's the same, because it's been cleared. There's nothing here in queue, so that you understand what I'm saying. Okay, that's a solution. Another solution could have been the one that I provided. So maybe if user uploads the same file, then maybe, just add like a dash or something, right? So yeah, I mean, as long as it works, I see I can download it and I see the image. So it doesn't matter if it shows that there is an image or not, I guess. If it's been uploaded successfully, I guess that's what counts, right? Let's download it once again. Just want to double check that everything is okay. Yeah, everything is okay. Everything seems to be working. So yeah, we've caught that bug. That was quick. And then yeah, we just leave it at that. We'll push these changes, and that would be it. Just adding some features here. Yeah, if you have any ideas, just let me know. I'm open to feedback. Subscribe to, I wouldn't say what's this, like my channel, Twitch. I'll try to do more here, and then upload it on YouTube. Yeah, just that. I don't know if there's anyone watching, but I think it says 0 views. Whatever. Okay. That's for today. That's all. I don't know what else to say. But if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. Until the next one. Thank you. Yeah, this is just a test streaming. Keep